This is our 2021 Wolf Pup Black Label Edition 16BHSBL. I'm going to go around the exterior of the unit, point out any kind of damages or anything like that. The vehicle's in fantastic shape. These were rarely even used this past rental season for us. I'd be surprised if I found anything wrong with this vehicle. I like to get close on corners, obviously, because that's where bad things happen on RVs. You have your sewer outlet down here in the lower driver's side. You have 4 stab jacks, 2 on each side. Frameless windows, which are part of the Black Label Edition. You do have an outdoor shower on this side here, an electric element for your hot water heater inside that compartment there. City water and freshwater connections are here. You have a light on your auto jack up front. You have 1 propane tank up front. Corners here. Large storage compartment up front here, which is the underneath of your queen bed inside. We do take all of our hoses and chocks out of the vehicle when we sell it. You have your awning up top right here. This is an automatic awning. That's not all the way out. I've just rolled it out halfway due to wind here today. You've got more ride steel steps that actually ride on the inside of the door there. Those are nice sturdy steps. Blue LED awning light, blue LED speaker lights outside. You do have a little mini fridge inside this compartment here. It's an electric mini fridge. Furnace exhaust here. Speakers there, 110 and cable outlets outside, and a television mount here. We don't allow dogs in any of our rentals. However, there is a leash latch. Just don't forget that guy back there. Bumper's in good shape. All corners are in great shape. I'm not seeing any exterior damage on this unit. So I'll walk around the outside one good time and then we'll go in. All right, let's head inside. So you do have your screen door here, which does come apart on the normal entry door. And then this does slide over to your screen door as well. Walking into the interior, wood's in good shape. I'm not seeing any kind of real scratches, dents, dings. We do take the television out, but it will fit a 24-inch television, and I will give you a mount for the inside television. Table's in great condition, no scratches, nothing like that on the table. Countertops are in very good condition too. It's kind of hard to tell on this video, but not any kind of scratches, dents, dings, nothing like that on there. 2-burner propane stovetop. furnace down below right there, which is probably what you hear running right now. It's a little cold here. Furrion 12-volt fridge. Got your contour microwave, normal microwave like you got at home. Right when you walk in, here's your control panel. Fire extinguisher. Thermostat for your furnace is on the wall right there, and your AC unit is right here on the ceiling. You have a Bluetooth stereo and radio here with indoor and outdoor speakers, and a voltmeter up top right there just to kind of help you know what your batteries are at. It's kind of hard to see with this light, but I have smartphone chargers on the wall here, and there's actually smartphone chargers on the bottom bunk as well. Teddy bear bunks. These are the thick plush bunks. You have a battery disconnect, which is a very nice feature. And also there are solar panels on the roof which are going to trickle charge your batteries and help keep this trailer from dying. The pink that you see in the bottom of the shower is antifreeze. This vehicle is winterized right now. You do have a small sink inside here. And then there's your shower enclosure, toilet, and a nice vent up top. It is automated. That pretty much sums up the video of our 2021 Wolf Pup 16BHS. Thanks a lot.